This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Stacy Hyatt. One-level ranch home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, large fenced-in yard, 1-car garage plus a outbuilding workshop with power. Easy access, no steep roads. Great location between Cherokee and Sylva. House features master suite, 2 guest rooms, guest bath, open floor plan with large living room, full kitchen with all appliances and heat pump. Would make a great family home or could be a full-time rental investment. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Hyatt at 828-736-2758.